installation, you'll need a slotted screwdriver. The license plate light is above the license plate. Use your slotted screwdriver to push in the clip in the little slot on the side of the light. Turn the socket counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED bulb and test it. Put the socket back in and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push in the side without the clip first, and then push it up to lock it in place. Now we'll repeat the same steps for the other side. Use your screwdriver to push in the clip and pry open the housing. Rotate the socket counterclockwise and pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED bulb and test it. Put the socket back in and turn it clockwise to lock it. Push in the end of the housing and then push it up to lock it. 6000K white and super bright, these new LED bulbs look great.